Yo, Max, what's for lunch?
How about a chicken chili? Let's get into it, huh? Let's get into it.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. Max, welcome back to the kitchen.
Love it here.
Yeah, you do.
Love it here. Love me some eats.
Well, today we're doing chicken chili. It's pretty healthy, actually very healthy.
Very healthy. There's nothing unhealthy on this board, not one thing.
There's nothing bad on this board, and this is something that you can throw together in like 30 minutes. It's one pot. You're not doing a lot. We're cheating. We're using some store-bought stuff. This is trying to make like an easy home-cooked meal on a weeknight, and you're gonna get a good, healthy chili out of this. Sound good?
Sounds great to me.
It'll warm you up too. It's cold right now in Chicago. It's really cold, so a good chili, a little bit of spice in here, a little bit of heat is gonna be perfect. So to start, we're gonna dice some stuff up. Max, I'm gonna have you dice.
All right.
I'm gonna have you dice this onion. Look at that, not bad. Max is learning.
Show off over here.
It's not a show.
Oh, I'm Donny. I cook in, I almost said Spain.
You almost said Spain. That's all right.
Spain probably's got good cooks too.
They do have good cooks, yeah.
Culinary people in Spain.
You know what, Max? You go anywhere in the world, you're gonna find good cooks. How spicy do you want it?
Spicy.
Okay, we're leaving the seeds and the pith in. I'm just gonna.
Let's do like half seed.
Okay, we're gonna do 3 jalapenos.
Okay.
So I'm gonna leave them in for this one. Do you remember how to cut a pepper?
No.
Take the top off like that.
Oh, I've seen this. It ends up being like straight,
Take
right?
the core out. Yeah. I actually just did it wrong.
I wouldn't have been able to do that.
I'm gonna do the strips for you, and then you're gonna dice it. How about that?
Okay, fine.
It's not that
He doesn't trust that I can get it done quickly. That's fine. No.
Okay, well, okay. Chop, dice,
yeah,
same size. I want every piece the exact same size. Can you do that?
Yes.
Do you want to play hardball?
Every piece the
single
exact same size?
Exact same size. How about that, Max?
So
But you're gonna cut your thumb off.
they look like they're kind of the same size right now.
You're gonna cut your thumb off. So we have a whole onion, we have jalapeno, we have a poblano pepper. Okay? You see the theme here? White and green, white and green. White beans, white chicken, green salsa, green avocado. That's what we're going with color-wise. Green limes, white and green. Okay. Onions, salt. We want to get this thing nice and salty. That's good for the start. Let's get this chattering away though. So, how's the diet been? What are you trying to improve? Where are we going with it?
We're trying to eat more things like this.
Okay.
You know, we got a little bit of time. We're in a horrible spot of dieting right now because you're good up until Thanksgiving, and then Thanksgiving week you hit a wall and it sucks. But then you come back Monday and you try and get back to what you were before Thanksgiving. But then you got people like Big Cat telling you it's stupid to diet in between Thanksgiving and Christmas because by the time you get to Christmas, then your diet's to shit again. But you gotta at least try. You gotta put in like a couple days a week of effort of like, I'm eating healthy meals. I'm at least doing something because you're gonna have some bad days ahead. You're gonna have some bad days ahead and that's okay, but you just can't kill yourself in between time. You can't just give up.
Wow.
Something I've been going through.
Wow. I'm like inspired now.
It's something you've been going. I mean, I haven't had a great week. but I'm trying not to have a terrible week.
What we're gonna do is we're just sweating these down. We don't really want to get a lot of color on them.
Okay.
We just want to get them soft. And then to that I'm adding, this is a can of green chili. So like I said at the beginning, we're trying to make this one easy. So canned green chili, you can find it. This will probably be in like the grocery store has a section for Asian, Mexican, yada yada.
The international
section, yeah. This was in the Mexican section, so that's where I found it at my store. So mix that in, let that start going. This should only take about 3 or 4 minutes. Have you been cooking a lot at least? Or
yeah.
It seems like you're cooking. Whenever we talk in the morning when we're working out.
I made a chili the other day. It was a buffalo chicken chili.
That doesn't sound like chili.
It was, you know.
What was in it? What was in it? Go through the.
It was basically just like a chicken chili, but with hot sauce instead of.
And cream cheese.
There's a little bit of cream cheese.
Okay.
A little bit of cream cheese.
That sounds like a dip.
Come on, dude. It's mostly chicken broth. He's trying to out me. I just did the speech about meals.
That's fair. My bad. And we're gonna put some cumin in here now because I want that spicy toast in there.
Yeah, let's get some smells going in here.
So with the traditional chili, you use cumin and you use chili powder. This one we're just using cumin. No chili pea in this one. So everything's at that nice head start. Garlic goes in now. Give that a stir just until it's aromatic. Nice. Now we're gonna go in with a little salsa verde here, sticking with the green theme. And then the other day I made some fresh salsa. Okay, so
I have a question.
Yes, Max.
Is this one of those things where it's like I watch so much food cooking content?
Yep.
Is this one of those things where you're like, check my last video? of how to make this salsa?
No, I didn't.
That, like,
did I
what you
say
do?
that? No,
No, but is that like your way of doing that?
I guess.
Because I feel like that's a thing in the biz.
It's a thing in the biz.
Because there's so many times where I'm watching a video and then it's like, if you haven't seen this, go back and that's 2 views.
Look at this. We have our beautiful base here. Smell that. Smelling fantastic. Now we're pretty much done. Like, this is all we're gonna do now. I'm gonna add corn. Beautiful. Now it looks like.
Let me put one of these.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Let me
gotta
put
get
this
you involved.
in there.
Get some of that in there. Get the beans in there.
Oh yeah.
The white kidney beans in there. And then shredded chicken. You can make this yourself. You can shred your own chicken, or if you really want to go easy,
rotisserie.
There it is.
Easy.
There it is.
Easy answer.
rotisserie.
I'm doing the rotisserie.
Chicken stock is gonna go in now.
Did you make the chicken stock?
I didn't make the chicken stock. Store bought. This is store bought. Stock's one of those things that I make a big batch of it and then try to freeze it. So now we have everything in here. We have our chicken. We have our stock. All this is gonna do, I'm gonna cover it, let this simmer for about 20, 30 minutes, uncover it based on how thick you want it. If you want it more like a soup, you can leave it like this, or you can let it go uncovered for about 10 minutes and it's gonna continue to reduce down. But Max, that's really how easy this one is. Not much to it. You chop an onion, chop a couple peppers, and you're good to go. So we're gonna cover this and we'll be right back. All right, Max, let's take a look at it. It's been going for about 30 minutes. Oh yeah.
That looks great.
We're in a great spot.
Look at that
You
simmer.
smell that? You
Look at
smell
that
that?
simmer.
Okay, so now, toppings. We can move this to the side. It's gonna be wicked hot. I want you to cut up some limes. I want you to do the honors with the cilantro. I'm gonna do the avocado.
That was crazy what you just did. Is that normal?
What? Moving it off to the side?
Like that bottom of the thing's got to be hot as shit.
Yeah, everyone asks you about this. The countertop, you can put hot things. It's not gonna ruin the countertop. It's not enamel. It's a stone. You put it. It's a stone.
That's got to be. This has got to be a fancy countertop for you to be. That was
No.
what you just did was just crazy.
Most countertops, you can put granite. You can put stuff on stone. You can put stuff on.
Now here's another question.
Okay, hit me with it.
When you do the limes,
Yeah.
do you cut them this way?
No. This way for the most juice. Not. If you're doing
This way for the most juice?
If you're trying to make drinks and you're trying to get like
Yeah.
little wedges, then you go this way. You're trying to just juice it right down the middle.
Right down the middle?
Yeah, and roll it first. Yeah.
I could have swore I was told that most juice was.
That's just a cheek of lime, like this. And then you take a fork and then you put it right in the center there, and then you squeeze around it.
Whoa.
And you get.
That's a cool little trick.
You get tons. You get all the juice out there. You rock.
That's a cool little trick.
You rock through it. Grab a ladle. Oh yeah, this is gonna be real good. This is just hearty. And then we'll garnish it. And you want sour cream, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
And then this, you gotta need something a little crunchy, a little crispy. Tortilla chips work great, but get like good quality donkey chips are my favorite. I just have some fried leftover chips here. It's gonna go right on top. Beautiful, and then all that nice cilantro.
What a plate.
And now to finish, another squeeze of lime. We have these beautiful slices of avocado. I'm just gonna fan out. Can't forget, guys, that every crave-worthy bite tastes better with Pepsi. We have the Pepsi Zero Sugar here. Crack one of these. Beautiful. Wash this chili down with a delicious Pepsi. I'm gonna go and bite.
I'm gonna go pre-Pepsi and post-Pepsi.
Okay, I'm going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That is so good.
That is phenomenal. All right, guys, and there you go. There is a chicken chili perfect for a cold winter day. Very healthy and so easy to do. Max, what do you think?
I can't wait to make this chili myself. It was delicious, healthy, filling, spicy, tangy, beautiful chili.
What more can you want? I don't think there's anything else.
I
think
ran
you
out of
described it.
adjectives.
He described it perfectly. Guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of What's for Lunch. We will see you next time. Peace.